Hey! So, I've been pretty busy the last couple of weeks on some big projects which you'll find out about soon, but right now I've had these things sitting on my workbench that haven't been finished, so I thought, screw it, I'll finish them. So these are two panels that I made the other day, and I've already soldered on all the wires to the back. They're all very messy, and these things are called benjolins, made by Mr. Hordijk, and they're pretty much like an all-in-one synthesizer that does some crazy sounds. These are the PCB boards. These are actually made for Eurorack synths. So they're relatively inexpensive to build and they're super simple. So, you know, I would recommend building them, but I don't know yet because I haven't finished them. They might not work. So here's one, here's two, completely finished. I'm gonna go and plug them in and see if they work. Hopefully they won't make any smoke. And then we'll go and try and see what they do. Right, so the power's in the back, they're screwed in. And yeah, it's time to play with them. So these benjolins aren't really what you'd want to be playing at your grandma's birthday party. They don't really play the best of Frank Sinatra that very well. But they are still kind of melodic. Melodic in the sense a washing machine is melodic, not melodic in a sense that S Club 7 is melodic. So first, it's got two oscillators. Two oscillators that you can bounce off each other and do some crazy stuff already. It's got a filter. So it's pretty good, you can already like hear some nice sounds. But this is when this thing comes in. It can make completely random melodies and then you can press lock and it will lock those melodies in so it kind of repeats it. Speed up a bit. So this lock loop thing is actually powered by the speed of the second oscillator, and this is when you start noticing that everything in it is actually intertwined. So you twist that knob, that does something different. You twist that knob, they're all like working off each other and bouncing off each other like bouncy balls. And then you lock it. And now it's starting the same constantly. Let's make that affect the filter as well. Okay, that's fair enough. But then, the other thing is you can actually bounce off that melody with the actual clock signal, which is the second oscillator, and you can make it go all crazy and weird. Make another melody. You know, you've already got like a little like weird ass drum thing. Okay, I'm gonna get another one coming from here as well. It's not Frank Sinatra, but you know, whatever. Twisting these knobs, they're actually changing the probability that the sequence that is made by this random sequencer will change. But it's really quick right now, so it's kind of making a wavetable sound. I mean, they're just a bit crazy, right? But the fact is, you could build these really simply, and you can see it just making an unlimited amount of dodgy noises that are going to annoy your neighbours. So now I've got a load of patch cables, and I'm going to plug up a square wave over here into this. Turn them on. Now they're wired up. Every single oscillator is affecting another oscillator, which is then affecting another oscillator. So it's going around in circles, and they're all affecting each other, which is making this just even more odd. Well, I guess that's how Crash Bandicoot's Evil Nemesis's laboratory sounds were made, with a couple of benjolins. But the fact is, you could build these really easily, and you know, you can make stupid noises. What more do you want? So yeah, that's the benjolin. I hope you enjoyed it. This also turned up this week. Thanks a lot to Pontasmic for sending me this talking computron. I've got to work out what to do with it. There's loads of like ways of making it go crazy.
Please choose an activity.
Woo! If anybody's got any ideas, let us know. There's a lot of circuit bend information on it on the internet. I just kind of want to make it something different.